Hi, I am Giduson Cabe. I've reached an age where I fully understand the struggles in my family. I'm a second-year electrical engineering student, but due to financial difficulties, I had to balance my studies with work. My father is a mechanic and my mother is a tailor. As for my background, I had to stop college twice. The first time, I sacrificed my education due to my nephew having a heart condition and to support my youngest brother's education. At that time, we needed money for a monthly checkup and allowance. Almost 6 years of working, I had finally continued my study again. Then, an incredible opportunity came, the Admit All. Admit All aimed to connect students with higher educational institutions globally, which provides discounted tuition fees. With this, it will help me to pursue my dream by studying abroad, to explore more about myself, and to enhance my skills. I didn't hesitate to accept it because I'm always motivated by any chances and challenges that are coming to me. I know this journey hasn't been easy, but I'm grateful for the opportunity that have come my way. After my long journey in studying, the first thing I will do is to repay everyone who support me, especially my family. The second is, I will do my best to contribute my skills and knowledge to the community. Thank you, Admit All, and God bless everyone.